Revolutionize your cleaning routine with Everybot Edge 2. With its wheelless design and 100% product weight pressures, it's the answer to all your cleaning woes. Let's dive into how the Everybot Edge 2 works. First, wet and wring the mop and attach it by pushing it into the hole on the rotating panel. Next, detach the water tank and fill the tank up to the inlet. After placing the water tank back in the main unit, press the power button for 3 seconds. Place the cover on the main unit and press start. The Edge 2 brings unbeatable cleaning power to your home. It tackles visible contaminants and even stubborn stains with ease, using just clean water. Plus, you can choose 6 smart cleaning modes, which are auto cleaning, suitable for daily cleaning, intensive cleaning, suitable for deeper cleaning, focus cleaning, which targets specific areas with a spiral pattern, edge cleaning, suitable for cleaning along edges and corners of walls and furniture, 15-minute cleaning, which quickly cleans small areas or rooms, and step cleaning, which mimics a human footstep cleaning action with a straight line motion between intensive and auto cleaning. These 6 modes will ensure cleaning every nook and cranny. It even reaches beneath furniture and tight corners, leaving no space untouched. The Edge 2 low height design lets it avoid obstacles and slip under low furniture effortlessly. And the best part, it's a silent cleaning partner, so it won't disturb your family or pets. There are 2 types of mops. The wet mop is for scrubbing out contaminants, and the microfiber mop is for absorbing pollutants and polishing your floors. What sets the Edge 2 apart from other robot mops is that its weight presses the mop cloth into the floor, ensuring thorough cleaning and effectively eliminating dirt and stains, even without cleaning solutions. Here are some critical tips to remember when using your Edge 2. Avoid using cleaning solutions or hot water in the water tank. And after cleaning, use the drain water function to clean your Edge 2. So, what are you waiting for? Elevate your cleaning game with the Everybot Edge 2 today. It's not just a mop, it's your reliable cleaning partner.